I'm now selling my Ray-Ban Meta Glasses Gen 2 because of one reason. No, actually a lot of reasons. So this is my Meta Ray-Ban Glasses Gen 2. So ilang buwan ko pa lang gamit to. So sabi nila, the best camera is the one that is always with you. 'Di ba? So kaya nga yung your phone is your best camera daw, 'di ba? So in addition of this one, mas lalo na, 'di ba? Kasi you don't have to pull out your camera. Pag may videohan ka, just need to press record and then that's it. 'Di ba? Invest na yun nakaganyan ka. Makipag-usap ka sa ganyan. Oh, talaga? Oh. And then something like that. So, if hindi sanay sa camera or sanay sa vlogging, yung kausap mo is may parang awkward ng setup. Although hindi siya necessary or hindi siya actual need, it makes my content creation or taking videos easier or more convenient. Pero, may maraming kulang at ayoko dito sa Ray-Ban glasses na to. To name a few is, syempre, to charge it, you need to put it back sa case niya. So, if it's your reading glasses or if it's your prescription glasses, you need to put it back. Charge it for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, ganun, before ka magpapagsuot ulit ng glasses. So, which is an inconvenience. Ganun. The recording duration, 3 minutes lang. So, for me, could be better kung more than that. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, ganun. Also, the AI is not yet, up until now, not yet available sa Philippines. So, this is just for video and picture capturing. Nung PBW, meron isang booth doon. So, I talked to them, I tried the glasses, and I'm mind blown sa mga features niya.
I'm Mac from Rookit Philippines.
Mac, okay.
I have here a future technology, the Rookit AI glasses with display. So these glasses is like a mini computer in your eyes.
Okay.
Meron siyang 17 applications inside. And the Rookit glasses concept is to make us more progressive sa lifestyle natin. So you have a personal AI, 4 powerful AI, Gemini, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Qwen. So to access,
including ChatGPT.
yeah, to access AI, just say, "Hi Rookit, what's the weather today?"
Since malabo yung mata ko, na-adjust din ba yung ano niya, parang yung VR natin last time?
There's a prescription lens supported by Ideal Vision. So we have a magnetic clip-on, ina-attach lang sa likod ng salamin natin.
Oh! Nice
So
one, ha?
this is the magnetic clip-on.
Okay.
You can attach this on the back of the lens.
The back.
Yes.
Hold on.
So as you can see,
So dito.
dito lang siya. Then, click. There you go.
Ay, solid!
Yes, very, very solid.
Nice.
Ideal Vision is our exclusive partner.
Okay.
You can purchase this directly to Ideal Vision.
Even the Rocket.
Yes.
Oh, nice. And this is available currently.
Yes,
Available
currently.
now. Wow.
Nationwide, currently. So,
Nice.
our partner is The Loop by Power Map, Ideal Vision Center, and Smart Telecommunication. So, to take video like this one, hold this one, and you're taking video.
Oh, okay. So meron din LED dito. How much is this?
So the price of Rookit glasses is 38,000 and continuous yung updates niya. You don't need to buy another Rookit glasses na other version. Continuous updating siya.
Okay, one more thing that I noticed is this one. So this is a charger?
Okay guys, this is a revolutionary technology. The power capsule. It's a
Power
mini
capsule.
power bank invented
Nice.
by Rookit. It can power our glasses up to 3 days.
3
Ganon
days.
siya kalakas.
Wow.
And this is the dock of the power capsule. You have 2 power capsule. At the
Okay.
same time, when you put this back, it will recharge again.
Nice.
So that's why 3 days.
Dalawa. Okay.
So in short, I do believe mahilig ka mag-POV vlogging
Exactly.
videos, and I do believe kinakapos ka ng battery. With
Exactly.
this one, for whole day, di mo to kaya
All day.
ubusin.
Wow. And yun nga yung maganda sa kanya. I'm so impressed with this one kasi yung gamit ko ngayon, if you need to recharge, you need to take it off, right?
You are correct.
And if that's your reading glasses or prescription glasses,
Very accurate siya.
you'll be left out without the glass, the eyeglass kapag nag-charge.
You are correct.
Right?
Rookie glasses enhance us and connect us to other people. Why? Because there is a live AI translation.
Live AI translation. Yeah, oh. Ito nga, yun nga yung pinaka, parang nung napanood ko to, sabi ko yun yung isa sa pinaka magagamit ko. Aside from a DL Vision, saan ba nila pwedeng mabili itong mga Rokid devices?
Okay, so we have a lot of partners for Rookie. Number one, we have Smart Telecommunication with postpaid. So, pag bibili ka ng, pag-renew ka ng postpaid, you can have the Rookie AI glasses. Number two, Ideal Vision Center. They are our exclusive partner also for the prescription lens. And number three, the Loop by Power Mac. So you can purchase directly there, pati yung Rokid AI AR spatial namin, the mini computer. So yeah. And we have Hobby Dynamics and Advanced Solution and Resi. So yes, there's lots of distribution right now in market. But again guys, limited stock lang tayo dahil sobrang trending nitong AI glasses. Limited stock lang. Kapos ang
Nice,
supply, international. Kapos ang supply.
Alright. So yun, bangin, check nyo na tong Rokid glasses, especially if susuot kayo ng mga glasses and mahilig kayo mag-take ng videos.